Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Apple Music on your Windows PC using the official Apple Music app. This works perfectly for Windows 10 and Windows 11, and it lets you browse, stream, and download your favorite songs directly to your computer. First, open the Microsoft Store on your PC. You can find it in your taskbar or search for it in the Start menu. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, use the search bar at the top right to search for Apple Music. Click on the Apple Music app in the search results, and then click the Get button to download and install it. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the Apple Music app on your desktop. Next, open the Apple Music app by clicking its icon. In the lower left corner, click Sign In and enter your Apple ID and password. If you don't have an Apple Music subscription yet, you can start a free trial or select a subscription plan directly from the app. Now you're ready to add music to your library. Browse or search for the songs, albums, or playlists you want. When you find something you like, click the plus add button to add it to your library. Once it's in your library, you can download it by clicking the download icon, which looks like a downward arrow. You can also click the three-dot menu next to a song and select download from there. The app will start downloading the selected music to your PC, and you'll be able to listen to it offline anytime. And that's it. If you now know how to install Apple Music on your Windows PC and download your favorite tracks directly to your computer. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.